modern bathroom designs have evolved to become both functional and luxurious, offering a spa-like experience within the home. One of the most trending ideas is the minimalist bathroom design, which focuses on clean lines, simplicity, and clutter-free spaces. This design often features neutral color palettes like whites, grays, and soft earth tones, creating a calming atmosphere. Large format tiles, particularly in matte finishes, are popular for both walls and floors, giving the space a sleek, seamless look. Floating vanities with hidden storage contribute to the minimalist aesthetic, keeping surfaces free of clutter and maximizing floor space. Another trend is the use of natural materials, which brings warmth and texture into the bathroom. Stone, wood, and concrete are often incorporated through countertops, sinks, or flooring, while greenery adds a refreshing, organic element. Wooden vanities and shelves, combined with stone basins or marble countertops, create a sophisticated, natural feel. This blend of materials not only enhances the aesthetics but also creates a tactile, grounding experience. Walk-in showers with frameless glass enclosures are a key feature in modern bathrooms, offering a seamless transition from the rest of the bathroom. These showers are often paired with rain shower heads or multiple shower jets for a luxurious, spa-like experience. To elevate the design further, the use of large tiles or textured tiles in the shower area creates a focal point while maintaining the minimalist appeal. Niches built into the shower wall provide storage for toiletries without the need for bulky shelving. Freestanding bathtubs are another striking element in contemporary bathroom design. Often placed near a window or as a centerpiece of the room, these tubs create a luxurious and serene atmosphere. Materials like stone, acrylic, or metal are used for these bathtubs, offering a range of textures and finishes that can suit various design preferences. When paired with floor-mounted or wall-mounted faucets, the freestanding tub becomes a statement piece. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern bathroom design, with a focus on natural light during the day and layered artificial lighting in the evening. Large windows or skylights are ideal for bringing in natural light, while soft, warm lighting through LED fixtures creates a relaxing ambience at night. Backlit mirrors, pendant lights, and recessed ceiling lights offer functional yet stylish solutions for task lighting, such as grooming or applying makeup. The use of dimmable lights adds versatility, allowing the bathroom to transition from a bright, practical space to a calming retreat. Smart technology is increasingly becoming a part of modern bathroom design, adding convenience and efficiency. Touchless faucets, automatic soap dispensers, and smart toilets with built-in bidets and heated seats are just some of the innovations making bathrooms more hygienic and user-friendly. Smart mirrors with built-in lighting and defogging features are another trending element, often equipped with Bluetooth speakers or digital displays for a truly connected experience. Underfloor heating systems are also popular, ensuring the bathroom stays warm and comfortable, especially in colder climates. Sustainability is another major influence on bathroom design, with homeowners opting for water-saving fixtures, energy-efficient lighting, and eco-friendly materials. Low-flow showerheads and faucets help conserve water without sacrificing performance, while dual-flush toilets offer flexibility in water usage. Materials like recycled glass, bamboo, and reclaimed wood are being used for countertops, cabinetry, and accessories, allowing for stylish, eco-conscious designs. The integration of plants into the bathroom not only improves air quality but also contributes to the overall aesthetic, creating a serene, natural environment. Storage solutions are a key component of modern bathroom designs, ensuring the space remains functional and clutter-free. Built-in shelving, recessed niches, and concealed cabinets offer ample storage without taking up floor space. Floating shelves made from materials like wood or glass add both style and practicality, providing easy access to essentials while maintaining a sleek appearance. Bold design elements such as statement mirrors, geometric patterns, and metallic accents can be used to personalize a modern bathroom. Oversized round or asymmetrical mirrors, often with thin metal frames, create a striking focal point. Geometric tiles in contrasting colors can add visual interest to a backsplash or shower area. Metallic finishes, such as matte black, brushed gold, or copper, are used for faucets, hardware, and light fixtures, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication. Modern bathroom design embraces minimalism, natural materials, and technology to create a functional, stylish, and serene space. From frameless showers and freestanding tubs to smart fixtures and eco-friendly materials, these designs offer the perfect balance of practicality and luxury. The use of lighting, storage, and bold accents further enhances the bathroom's appeal, making it a beautiful and relaxing sanctuary within the home.